Imagine cramming the entire 13.8 billion years the universe has existed into just 1 year. Today, we're embarking on a mind-bending journey through time, from the very beginning to, well, right now. That's right, we're tackling the vast expanse of cosmic history with the help of a tool called the cosmic calendar. The basic idea behind the cosmic calendar, the Big Bang, happens on January 1st at midnight, and we in the present day are crammed in somewhere around the very last second of December 31st, midnight. Massive compression of time helps us grasp the immense age of the universe and puts major events in perspective. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's fast forward through the cosmic year. The beginning, the Big Bang ignites. Our journey begins on January 1st, marking the Big Bang, the moment a singularity exploded outward, setting the stage for everything that exists. The universe was unimaginably hot and dense, filled with elementary particles like quarks and gluons. In a fraction of a second, the universe rapidly expands and cools, setting the course for the wonders to come. Fast forward to January 19th. Astronomers believe this might be the date for the very first gamma-ray burst, the most powerful explosions in the universe. These bursts are thought to be associated with the deaths of massive stars or the collision of neutron stars. By January 26th, gravity begins to play a leading role. It pulls together vast clouds of hydrogen and helium gas, the remnants of the Big Bang, leading to the formation of the first galaxies. These colossal structures, containing billions of stars, mark a significant turning point in cosmic evolution. Let's jump ahead to March 16th. Here, our very own Milky Way galaxy starts to coalesce. It takes hundreds of millions of years for the swirling gas and dust to condense into the beautiful spiral galaxy we see today. Fast forward to May 13th. During this period, the flattened disk of the Milky Way, where our solar system resides, begins to take shape. This disk is crucial for the formation of stars and planets. Then, a momentous event occurs on September 2nd. A giant molecular cloud within the Milky Way disk collapses under its own gravity, triggering the birth of our solar system. This cloud of gas and dust swirls and flattens, eventually giving rise to the sun, planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Just 4 days later, on September 6th, we encounter the oldest known rocks on Earth. These ancient minerals, found in Canada, offer a glimpse into the very early stages of our planet's formation. Studying these rocks allows scientists to piece together the violent and chaotic period of Earth's infancy, a time dominated by asteroid impacts and intense heat. Earlier, we traversed the cosmic calendar from the Big Bang to the formation of our solar system. Now, let's buckle up and journey through the remainder of the year, witnessing the incredible rise of life on Earth. Let's move to September 14th. This date marks the discovery of the first known remains of potential life on Earth. These microscopic fossils found in Western Australia date back a staggering 4.1 billion years. While not definitive proof of life, these chemical signatures hint at the emergence of the first primitive organisms. Just a week later, on September 21st, we encounter the dawn of life itself, the rise of prokaryotes. These single-celled organisms, like bacteria and archaea, were the first inhabitants of Earth. They thrived in the harsh conditions of early Earth, laying the foundation for the incredible diversity of life that would follow. Let's jump to September 30th. This pivotal date marks the emergence of photosynthesis. This revolutionary process allows organisms to capture sunlight and convert it into energy, fundamentally changing the course of life's trajectory. Photosynthesis not only sustains life, but also begins to transform Earth's atmosphere on October 29th. With the rise of photosynthetic organisms, Earth's atmosphere starts to change dramatically. The release of oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesis, slowly begins to transform our planet's environment, paving the way for more complex life forms. A leap forward to November 9th. This date marks the emergence of eukaryotes, complex single-celled organisms with a membrane-bound nucleus and other internal structures. These more sophisticated cells lay the groundwork for the development of multicellular life forms, which gives the rise of the first multicellular life forms, organisms composed of many interacting cells. This transition marks a crucial step towards the incredible diversity of life we see today. Just 2 days later, on December 7th, the first simple animals like sponges and jellyfish begin to populate the oceans. This date also marks the emergence of arthropods, the ancestors of insects, arachnids, and crustaceans. These small, hardy creatures will go on to play a vital role in the evolution of life on Earth. Here, we encounter the first fish swimming in Earth's oceans. On December 14th, these early vertebrates paved the way for the development of more complex creatures. This date also coincides with the emergence of proto-amphibians, the first creatures to venture out of the water and onto land, marking a critical transition point in life's history. Let's jump to December 20th. This date marks the rise of land plants, forever changing the landscape of Earth. Forests begin to flourish, enriching the atmosphere with even more oxygen. On December 21st marks a pivotal point for life on land. This is the time when insects take to the skies, their efficient bodies and adaptability allowing them to thrive in diverse environments. Just a day later, on December 22nd, we witness the rise of amphibians, the first true land vertebrates, with their moist skin and ability to breathe air, successfully transitioned from water to land, paving the way for the diversification of life on Earth. However, this period also coincides with the late Devonian extinction, a series of environmental changes that devastated marine life and significantly impacted life on land. Here, on December 23rd, we see the rise of reptiles, the dominant land vertebrates for millions of years. These air-breathing, egg-laying creatures evolved from amphibians and thrived in the warm, dry environments of the time. Reptiles, with their diverse adaptations, gave rise to a vast array of species, including some truly monstrous creatures we'll encounter later. A somber note on December 24th. This date marks the Permian-Triassic extinction event, the most severe extinction event in Earth's history. Volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and other environmental changes are believed to have caused the extinction of an estimated 57% of all biological families and 83% of all genera. This event represents a major reset button for life on Earth, paving the way for the rise of new dominant species. Thankfully, life finds a way. Just a day after the devastating extinction, December 25th marks the rise of the dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures, descendants of earlier reptiles, would come to dominate the planet for over 180 million years. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the long-necked sauropods, dinosaurs captured our imaginations and continue to inspire we today. As we delve deeper into December, the story of life on Earth continues to unfold. December 26th and 27th, the mammals rise. These small warm-blooded creatures with fur or hair first appeared during the Triassic period, living in the shadows of the dominant dinosaurs. However, this period also coincides with the Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, another major upheaval in Earth's history. While devastating for many species, this event may have created opportunities for mammals to diversify and fill ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs' decline. On December 30th at 6:24 a.m. marks the infamous Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. A giant asteroid impact, along with other environmental changes, is believed to have caused the extinction of non-avian dinosaurs, marking the end of their reign for over 180 million years. This event, however devastating, paved the way for the rise of mammals. With the dinosaurs gone, small mammals had the chance to thrive and diversify, eventually giving rise to the incredible variety of life we see on Earth today, including ourselves. Here comes finally the last day of the year we humans have just started evolving. At 6:05 a.m. the apes emerge, our distant ancestors. Then, at 2:24 p.m. hominids rise, a group that includes bipedal primates like Australopithecus. At 10:24 p.m., primitive humans have appeared and the first use of stone tools. At 11:44 p.m., the fire was discovered and domesticated, a pivotal point in human development. At 11:52 p.m., there comes anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, with our current physical characteristics. At 11:55 p.m., the beginning of the most recent glacial period, a major climatic shift that shaped human evolution. At 11:58 p.m., the artistic expression like sculpture and painting were developed. Finally, at 11:59 p.m. and 32 seconds, the rise of agriculture, a revolutionary shift in human society. The final seconds of December 31st represent the entirety of human history. Let's delve into these final moments, highlighting pivotal advancements. The final seconds of the cosmic year begin with the Neolithic Revolution. Hunter-gatherer societies transition to settled life, establishing the first permanent settlements and laying the groundwork for agriculture. This momentous shift marks the dawn of civilization. As the clock ticks closer to midnight, the first dynasties emerge in Mesopotamia, Sumer, Ebla, and Egypt. These early civilizations develop sophisticated systems of governance and astronomy, laying the foundation for future scientific exploration. Furthermore, the invention of the alphabet revolutionizes communication, paving the way for written records and the transmission of knowledge across generations. Technological breakthroughs mark the next few seconds. The widespread adoption of bronze metallurgy revolutionizes tools and weaponry, while the invention of the compass facilitates navigation. Iron metallurgy follows shortly after, further reshaping societies. Culturally, this period witnesses the rise of the Mycenaean civilization in Greece, culminating in the legendary Trojan War. Across the Atlantic, the Olmec civilization flourishes in Mesoamerica, while the invention of the zero and decimals in India paves the way for advanced mathematical calculations. The final few seconds of the cosmic year are a whirlwind of cultural and intellectual developments. Empires rise and fall, the Assyrians in Mesopotamia, the Israelites in the Levant, and the Phoenicians who established Carthage. Ashoka the Great unifies India and spreads Buddhism, while China experiences a golden age under the Qin dynasty. In Greece, Pericles leads a flourishing Athens, while the birth of Vedas, Jesus, and Buddha mark the founding of major world religions. Scientific thought takes root with the groundbreaking work of Euclid, Archimedes, and Ptolemy. Finally, the Roman Empire emerges, dominating the Mediterranean world for centuries. In the final frenetic second of the cosmic calendar, humanity packs a punch. Galileo peers through the first telescope, forever altering our view of the heavens. Newton unlocks the laws of motion and gravity, grounding our understanding of the physical world. Einstein shatters our perception of time and space with relativity. The world explodes into the horror of World War I, followed by the splitting of the atom and the devastation of World War II. Everything we humans have made or discovered, including me uploading this video, you watching right now, everything in the last second of cosmic calendar. The cosmic calendar is a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. We are latecomers to a grand cosmic story, but a part of it nonetheless. What will the future hold for the next 13.8 billion years? That's a question for another cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through time, leave a comment below and let me know what other mind-blowing topics you'd like to explore. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.